Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So one of your amps are blown?
Yeah.
What happened?
I forgot to turn off the amps, so they went on like 3 days. So batteries died, and they went like 8 volts. So when I charge the batteries and I restart everything again, one of them was in protection.
Dang.
Yeah.
That sucks. You gonna give me a good walk around real quick when I was in here?
What do you say?
When I was in here?
Oh, 4 CV5s, 18s, and a 4-dollar. And currently I just have a 112K running a half ohm, but especially is 212K.
What did you do on the meter with the full power?
I was doing 156.8, 25 hertz.
Man, high 50s in the 20s is insane. Your door's breaking?
Yeah, you gotta put it up, yeah. There you go.
There you go, the latch. Everything's breaking in here from this, man. How much? I never asked you last time. What's your sealed section? Do you know how big it is?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
I got the design, but I don't.
Yeah.
I don't
It's all right, man.
I
I like you added some braces.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Oh yeah, let's get a demo.
You ready?
Ready? Yeah.
Once I go with it, bitch, you don't know how to act. Blowing up a nigga phone, can you please talk back? Hey, Lord, like a weed, I like that bitches, I can roll it up.
Just 1 amp.
If you had 2 amps in there.
Yeah, it's a little bit windier.
Really?
Yeah.
I could bet, but that's insane for just one. Just for one, man.
Yeah.
Jesus. Them subs are handling it with both of them too?
Yeah.
Man. How much did you clamp? Have you clamped the power out of it? See
No,
how much
I haven't
you haven't?
clamped it yet.
Okay. Whew.
But I know the box is racing. Like if I wire at 1 ohm, they're racing 2 ohm.
Okay. So you're still rising over 1 ohm with it,
Yeah.
half ohm. Yeah. So is it, how much of a difference wiring each amp to 1 ohm versus half ohm? Is there a big jump? And like, can you tell more efficiency? It's just a little louder?
I I can feel it's a little
tell?
bit
Okay.
Yeah, like
With two amps at 1 ohm, then 1 amp at half ohm.
yeah,
You can tell a difference.
It's different.
Okay.
Yeah, to me that works like that. To me, having 2 amps at 1 ohm is louder than 1 ohm.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yep.
Yeah.
Awesome. Whew. You want to feel real quick? Get a demo? She likes this one, man. You give her a demo?
The bag's right there.
All right.
Got it?
Yep. Hair trick monster.
For sure.
Heck yeah. Appreciate it, Diego.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.